Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on Android. Hiding apps is a good way to protect your privacy, and if your phone is used by your child, it's a good way to keep the unwanted apps away from them. Hide apps option is not available for every Android device and slightly different from device to device. But if you want to hide apps, then in this video, I will show you two methods to hide apps on your Android phone. Method 1, hide apps from settings. This method works on most versions of Android phones. The option to hide apps is available on the device itself. Open phone settings. So in settings you have to tap on this display and brightness, and if you scroll to the bottom you will see these options. Tap on this desktop setting, scroll down and you will see this option hide apps. So tap on this hide apps and now you can see this screen shows the hidden apps, all apps. To hide in apps, tap on this hidden apps, tap on this plus icon, and now you can simply hide the app you want. So just tap on the app you want to hide like this and tap on this confirm, and now your app is hidden. You can see that our one app is hidden now. Now the second method is installing an app hider. A number of app hider and launcher apps exist in the Google Play Store. Choosing the right launcher app depends on your preference. Microsoft Launcher lets you hide apps on your Android phone. So just go to your Play Store and in the search bar search for this Microsoft Launcher. So just install the Microsoft Launcher on your device, and once the app installed, just tap to open it. Give the required permissions. Tap on this continue. You have to make Microsoft Launcher default. So tap on this set as default. To hide apps using Microsoft Launcher, long tap on empty page on the home screen and select launcher settings. Go to home screen, tap on this hidden apps and then tap on this hide apps and select the app you want to hide. To unhide the app, tap on this unhide and your app is unhidden. These are two methods to hide apps on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.